Hello everyone. On your camera and please hi to everyone showing because this recording is start. Basavraj, on your camera and say hi to recording session. Hey, right. Samara, please on your camera and say hi. Then you can off your camera. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, that's fine. Now I just share my screen. We start with that. Will we start with this segment? SERPs.com. Okay. Last sessions we have to I already shared that task in this group. This is the task. Again, I repeat. Okay. We are doing right now for product SEO using ChatGPT. Okay. Uh, uh, I already explained in product SEO. Anyone, Samara, can you please explain what is the product SEO?
Sir, it is search engine optimization. Like we search in Google Chrome any product, then we get the result.
Yeah, that's the reason we are writing some SEO in that product page. Means if we are going for any product like this is a prompt engineering, one of the online course we are providing training internship. In here, this is the product title. Okay, this is the description. Here to here is the description, product description. In this product description, we have to some words we mention that is the using for help to Google search to identify these things. Okay. Then let's example last we are doing Chennai silk saree operations, right? The title is done, description is done. Now we go to the SEO part, product SEO. Okay, for e-commerce site, Chennai saree silk saree product SEO for silk saree. Let us done that. What is that found at? We found on that. Means SEO is nothing but keywords which is help to the finding that product in Google search. Then here is the all the details, customer reviews, okay. This is the 15 points they are providing for product SEO. Product SEO means this product which is we are listed in this website, we are going to be SEO. After SEO, it should be easily searched in our SEO part. Means someone is finding. Let's check with that. In Google, we can found prompt engineering training training internship. Look, this is the third part that mention. 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 Okay, this title is showing heading on that. This is called SEO part. Okay, this is the here keywords, keyword search. What we are put the keywords, these keywords they are searching in our page, in this page, and they pop up here. Okay, understand? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
yeah. Now I'm going to copy this one, put here. This 15 point we are working in our organization. Okay, this 15 part we have to work on that for the product SEO. Okay, keyword research, we have to start with the keyword research. Then what we do next step here, again we have to Chennai sarees, silk saree, product keywords for SEO. Okay, these are the 20 keywords they provide. Okay, we have to play with these 20 keywords. Okay, in these 20 keywords should be displayed in our descriptions. Okay, it should be displayed or not, we have to check on that. Is displayed? No. This should be updated in this program. Chennai Silk here is not showing, right? Here we have to put AI programs. Sorry. How's the mistake happen? Look, I give you something else, they are providing something else. Okay. Okay, they are providing two SEOs. One is Chennai silk study prompt engineering. They still even founding what exactly my question. Okay, this is what Chennai silk studies details. Keywords. This is the prompt engineering keywords. Okay, like let's see these keywords are available or not. Okay, why? Because this keyword is identified through our internship. They are identified 4 keywords is there. Okay, then internship opportunities, professional development for engineering career training, prompt engineering program. This is not available. This keyword we have to put in this page. Understand, both of you? Vasabras, anything?
Yes, sir,
Vasabras and
understand.
Samara?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just note it down. You should be updated